Want your Samsung Galaxy A27 5G screen to stay on longer or turn off faster? Changing the screen timeout setting only takes a few moments and lets you customize how long the display remains active when you're not touching it. Whether you're looking to conserve battery life or keep the screen awake while reading or watching something, this setting is easy to adjust. To begin, unlock your phone and open the settings page. You can find it by swiping up to open the app screen and tapping settings, or by swiping down from the top of the display and selecting the gear icon in the quick settings panel. In the settings menu, scroll until you see display, then tap it to open your screen related options. Here you'll find settings for brightness, motion smoothness, font size, and more. Scroll down within the display menu and tap screen timeout. This option controls how long your screen stays on after your last touch before it automatically locks or goes dark. A list of available time options will appear. Depending on your device, you can choose 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, or 10 minutes. The default setting is usually 30 seconds, but you can select whichever option best fits your daily use. After tapping your preferred timeout, the change is applied instantly. There's no save button or restart required. Your phone will now use the new timeout duration every time the screen is idle. If you want to extend battery life, choosing a shorter timeout is recommended since the display is one of the biggest power consumers. On the other hand, if you're reading ebooks, viewing recipes, studying or presenting information, a longer timeout can make your experience much more convenient. You're all set. Your Samsung Galaxy A27 5G will now keep the screen on for the time you selected whenever the device is idle.